Join me as I dive into 8 viral YouTube niche that could skyrocket your channel in 2025 and see if I can find the perfect one to explode my channel fast. So, having a successful YouTube channel is all about finding the right niche. It's like the key to unlocking a massive audience and growing your channel exponentially in 2025. So the competition is going to be very, very fierce. So, and standing out in the crowd is crucial. So that's why I'm excited to share with you the top 8 viral YouTube content that can change everything, that can explode your channel very fast. Many creators share struggle to find their niche, and it's easy because so many niche outside there, so it can be overwhelming with so many niches out to choose the right one that is trending, so and the one at hand. So if you have passion that is trending, if you have passion, you might get it right. But if you don't have passion for it, you might burn out very, very quick. So the problem is many creators try to be everything. If you are sweet to everyone, you will soon be licked. Just like a sweet. If sweet is too sweet, what happened to sweet? They lick it and it's finished. So the problem is that many creators try to be everything to everyone, and that's a recipe for disaster. So you need to focus on a specific audience and create content that speak to that specific person that you want to reach. Let your content be for one person, so that one person you are talking to will lead to another person, and then another person, and then another person. Before you know, the whole community, before you know, the whole state, before you know, the whole country, before you know, the whole, you start getting million views. Start with one there. So that's where viral content niches, so they are a shortcut to finding a massive audience. So by tapping into what's currently trending, if you follow what is trending, what is selling out there, you will also sell. If you see that they are jumping this side, you follow them. That's what is trending. So you can ride the wave and grow your channel quickly. You can follow through the evergreen content, which is the evergreen content about when they talk about how to get subscribers fast. That is evergreen content, because a lot of people are looking for how to get subscribers fast. When you talk about how to get watch hours, everybody's looking for how to get the watch hours complete, how to get 4,000 watch hours complete, how to get 1,000 subscribers. That is evergreen content. So, but let's be real, finding the right niche is one of the half the battle. If you can get the right niche, you have won the battle already. So you need to create high quality content that resonates with your audience. That's where the real challenge begin. When I started my channel, I started talking about relationship and marriage, children, and then I look at the audience that I was getting. I said, okay, let me swap to another topic, which is YouTube growth, every day of my life. And then I moved like that. I started having views like 20,000 views, and which why I had to delete that was because it was vlog, and I didn't want my channel to be known as vlog, because I want it to be known for teaching, because that is my passion. Okay, so but let's be real, finding the right niche is only half the battle. So you need to create high quality content that will resonate with your audience, that will be real. That's where the challenge begins. However, it is the right niche that will matter. You might be motivated to create a content that your audience will love. So let's dive into the 8 viral YouTube niche for 2025. Number one is gaming content. This gaming content is very, very amazing. A lot of people are on it, and the crowd is massive. So which is continue to have a massive hit on YouTube. Channel like Maki Pillar and Real Didai. So they have built massive followings with big playing and commenting on popular games. So gaming content is a perfect niche. Lots of people are into it and they are making it out of it. What about beauty and fashion content? Everybody want to know how to look very beautiful. They want their skin to glow, their body to glow. They want to see something. So it's always in demand. So channels like Nikki Tutorials, and James Charles have built huge audience by sharing makeup tutorials and product reviews. You know, product reviews now, how you go to shop, talk about this product, talk about this attach, talk about this earring, and then make a review. So those kind of content are evergreen. Everybody, the request is massive on it. We also have the ASMR niche, which have been growing rapidly over the few past years. Channels like Gentle Whispering and AS Darling that have built huge following in by creating relaxing content. Okay, so the next one, the third one, which is and the fourth one rather, which is the personal finance. Everybody want to know how to handle money. Personal finance. Everybody want to know how to make money. Everybody want to know how to do business that will bring out money. Everybody want to know about lectures of money. So personal finance, these channels like Dave Ramsey and Graham Stephen show offering valuable advice on managing money, how to manage your money, how to invest your money, what you need to do as a salary earner. So a lot of people want this advice. People want to know about it. So this channel is selling. For example, if you have different gadgets, you have laptop, you have two phones, you can have two of these channels and then keep doing it because it's evergreen content and people always seek after. What about health and weight loss? Health and wellness, that is weight loss. People, a lot of people want to know about how they can have a flat tummy, their dream body, how they can have this body pack and everything. That is health and wellness. So if you venture into this niche, it's also a huge with channels for fitness like blenders and yoga. People want to know about all that, how to exercise to have a perfect body shape, a perfect look, you know, that confident look that will give you that that's that vibes. So people really are looking for this kind of niche. So if you dive into this kind of niche, you will have your followings eventually. So technology and gadget reviews. People, there are channels that talk about phones, how these phones work, how they operate, how the camera, how the Canon camera, the photo shoot camera that you need for your phone, for your editing, for your videos. So this gadget and technology review, they are super popular. They are super popular. People know about it. What about travel niche? This travel niche, these people, they travel around the world. They go to places, they take pictures, they go to beach, they go to places like Dubai, they take pictures of the Dubai pictures, of the Dubai views. They take lots of pictures and it's making fine for them. It's making lots of audience for them. So review and also super niche. Travel niche is one of the opinion with channel like Mike Wen and the travel hack, sharing travel tips. They will share you their tips, their cultural, their experience, and the educational niche, what they learned in everything. So this kind of content is very, very acceptable. People want to look at it. People want to hear about it. People like to view beautiful sight. So that kind of niche is very, very, but if you have the money, because like traveling to Dubai would require your money, traveling to other states to get all those perfect views, it will require money. So in conclusion, these 8 viral YouTube niche have the potential to upload your to explode your channel growth. So in 2025, whether you are passionate about gaming or beauty or sustainability or finance, There's a niche out there for you. There is a niche for you. You can even decide to. There's one I watched about all these teenagers in abroad. They don't even have channel or even have a niche. All they do is that they just film their lifestyle. For example, they are reading 6 hours. They put the camera there and it's just showing them as they are reading. What YouTube pay is for the views and the engagement. So provided that somebody is looking at them, they have the views and the engagement. That is all they do. Meanwhile, they are in school. Some of them are in the hostels. So if in all, just choose a niche for yourself. A niche that aligns with your passion. If you love to read, you can put it in your camera and it video you how you are reading. So put the niche that you are interested, and don't be afraid to experience or try a new thing. So which of this niche is your favorite? Let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching my video to the end. See you in my next video.